Hi class, this video is a continuation of your Module 4 assignment, your case study, and looking at question 2. Okay, so question 2 says deal with chart 2. So going back to your Excel spreadsheet here, this is going to be what you're going to make for chart 2. Okay, it says create a frequency distribution for earnings without regard to sports organization. All right, then present the frequency distribution with all appropriate labels in the provided answer field as an embedded image. So you don't actually have to do this as an embedded image. I'll show you how to do this. So what you're going to do is you're going to create a frequency table, and it's going to be salary range, and then it's going to be counts. And these are our salary ranges here. I'm just copying them. And what you're going to do is they want it to be regardless of, without regard to sports organization. So what you're going to do is you're going to sum in Excel, or you can do this by hand, all the players that make between 0 and $500,000. Then you're going to sum all the players that make between $500,000 and $2 million, and so on. Now I'm just gonna, I'll clean this up a little bit here so it looks a little bit nicer. Even put some brackets around it. So what you're gonna then do next, this is just your frequency distribution. So the count, this is the counts or the frequency. So what you can directly do is you can just take this and you can paste it right into the Word document here. So that's good. The next thing it says is create a histogram. So there's actually an issue with this. You can't create a histogram from this data. This is a little bit of an error in the question here. I'm sorry, the course designer missed this. But the bins are not the same width for all these. Like this is $500,000, this is 1.5 million, this is 4 million, this is 4 million. So I just have to create a bar chart from this. So to go back, you're going to take this data in Excel and you're going to copy it into StatCrunch. And then what you're going to do in StatCrunch here is you're going to go graph, chart, and then your data's in columns. And you want your count frequencies, okay? And you're going to click on the row labels, and that's going to be the salary range, okay? So you can do a horizontal bars or you can do a vertical bars. It doesn't matter. And you'll see it like this, okay? And unfortunately, it's going to have to be a bar chart here instead of the histogram. That's okay. But let's save this. And you can call it whatever you want. I'll call it question 2. So I'm going to save it. So I'm going to click Save As. I'm going to put this back, question number 2 chart. And then unfortunately what you're going to have to do, if you remember, you have to go into Account and you're going to have to upload this into your files. So if you remember in a previous video, I created a folder called Statistics Graphs. So I'm just going to upload, and then here's chart 2. And then that's good, it's up there. So then when I go back into my case study and I go to upload an image from user files, there's my question 2 chart right there. All right, class, so just unfortunately here for question 2, I showed you how to do the frequency table here. I'm also going to attach this Excel spreadsheet in an announcement section for you so that you'll have access to it. And you can see there that you're going to have to create a little bit of a bar chart instead of a histogram here. All right, class, I'll follow this up with another video in a bit to show you how to do questions 2 and 3.